up the mountain and in the rift. I was there on a solemn occasion in the mountain and on an invitation of one of the devolution units in the Rift Valley. And I can tell you, watu wa bodaboda wakiwa mountain ama wakiwa Rift Valley wanalilia gharama ya maisha and the price of fuel the same way that they do it here. The mothers and the fathers are worried about Monday tomorrow. They do not have money to take their children to school. The same way it is happening here. And I want to repeat here, I know I said this earlier, Baba, the country, Kenya, is really in need of you now more than ever before, because what I have seen with my own eyes, where we did not expect it, those guys are just waiting for somebody to stand in the gap for them, and that's what you've done in the past. Now, with those few remarks, allow me now to invite the governor of the county of Kisumu, who will then in turn, invite the other speakers this morning. Tumemkaribisha. Karibu sana, Your Excellency. Karibu sana.